Good morning, guys. I am absolutely shattered. I got like no sleep last night. I'm having loads of trouble sleeping at the moment. So yeah, I've got a big comfy jumper on for work because work. Yeah, I just want a nap. I'm so tired. I've not vlogged today because I've been dying at work, being tired and feeling ill. And kittens and stuff. So yeah, that's why I haven't vlogged today, because I feel like fucking death. And I didn't really want to share that with you because, yeah, it's about 8:30 maybe. I am going to go to bed and I really, really, really hope I feel better tomorrow. So, because today's vlog has been really shit, here, have some kittens and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Oh, no!